sight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W for whale in the big blue sea. X for xylophone, played joyfully. U is for yellow, bright and sunny. Z is for zebra, striped and funny. We've sung our ABCs today. Now let's laugh, sing and play. Sing the letters one by one. Learning is so much fun. A to Z, we sang it through. Now it's your turn. Let's hear you too. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W for whale in the big blue sea. X for xylophone, played joyfully. Y is for yellow, bright and sunny. Z is for zebra, striped and funny. We've sung our ABCs today. Now let's laugh, sing and play. Sing the letters one by one, one by one. Learning is so much fun, much fun. A to Z, we sang it through. Now it's your turn. Let's hear you too.